Welcome to Magitools. In this video we are going to have a look at how to gradient text in Adobe Illustrator. To gradient text in Adobe Illustrator, the first thing we need to do is to equip the Type tool. You can either do that by pressing T on your keyboard, or you can just simply select it here in the toolbar. Once the Type tool is selected, to make a text box in Adobe Illustrator, simply left click and drag on your canvas and then let go. Now simply adjust the text by typing on your keyboard and then click on Window in the top toolbar and select Appearance. Now the next thing we need to do is to add some new fill for our text. However, you can see that the box here is grayed out. To make sure that this is not the case, we will make sure to click again here on our Type tool, and you will then see that the Add New Fill button can now be clicked as it turned white. And once that is done, again head over to Window in the top toolbar and then select Gradient. Now in the Gradient window, all that is left for us to do to gradient our text is to click once here on our gradient square. And as you can see, we now have our gradient text. You can then obviously also adjust the colors of your gradient. You can do that by choosing new colors here in the gradient slider. So for example, instead of white here, I will double click on that, I maybe choose red. And our gradient here will change accordingly. In this case, our gradient is going from red to black. If you would like something else, you could also adjust it here. And let's say you would like it to go from red to white rather than red to black. Simply click here on that black circle and change it into white. And as you can see, our gradient is now going from red to white instead. And that's it, guys. This is how you gradient text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.